Are you ready to take your forex trading to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to use advanced technical analysis and risk management techniques to increase your success in this trading world. Lots of traders always constantly lose in the forex markets, and the number one reason for that is that they always get too zoomed in on one time frame, and as a result they forget to see the bigger picture in the market. So the number one lesson to learn today on this video is to always practice top-down analysis. If this is a new terminology for you, top-down analysis is simply taking a step back and consider the bigger picture before taking a trade. So we will start analyzing this index on the daily time frame, and this will help us to know where the price is and where it came from. All these questions will help us to make a good trading decision and have a proper prediction as to where the price is expected to go. Getting back to our charts, we can see that the current market direction is on the downtrend. Now, there are two things to do once you have identified your current market direction, and that is to either look for trend continuation signals and ride this trend, or to look for possible trend reversal signals and be the first to join the expected new trend. Is that clear, my friends? If not, just feel free to comment on the comment section and ask any question, and I will respond to that question right away. So since we already know the general bias of the markets, let's go to the lower time frame, and for this case right now it will be the 4-hour time frame. Remember this, friends, when you're progressing to the lower time frames, do not skip these major time frames. What do I mean? What I mean is, do not go from the daily time frame straight to the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. Is that clear? So we are on the 4-hour time frame now, and we see that the market did make a pullback and respected this level, a very classic move. Since we know, it is all known all over the world how the downtrend market moves, and that is lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, and then the cycle continues like that. So this pullback here is the lower high, and what to expect is the next lower low. You can see right here that the market did respect and went slightly down, although not yet to our next lower low. So as we are on this lower time frame, let's reduce our size and make a summary of what's just happening right here, and we will just concentrate on this impassive leg right here. We can expect a lot to happen on this leg. First, we can expect it to retrace back to the level before going all the way back down here, which for that case will give us a new opportunity to enter this trade, since when it happened we were not in the charts, hence we missed it. Or we can expect it to give us some continuation signals and continue to ride this impassive leg. Noting that down, we then progress to the next lower time frame, which for this case, guys and girls, is the 1-hour time frame. To get zoomed in a little bit to see what information that the market did hide from us on the higher time frames. So we are on the 1-hour time frame, guys and girls, and we notice that the market price is on a mini support level right here, which by all means it will have meant that we are to look for buy entries. But noticing this doji candlestick here goes against our belief that on support we are to look for buy entries. You can see the presence of doji on this level and how it formed. The doji failed to go above this price action here, showed us that this is a trend continuation signal. So here's when most of the traders may go wrong. Now here is the real meat. For those that exited this video already, I'm sorry for them, so sorry. Most of the traders may just focus on these supports and say, let me buy. It is a support level. All the books say we should buy on supports. You may find even the most taking buy signals right here, forgetting the bigger picture what showed us on the daily time frame. So here is what I will do professionally. Since the daily time frame showed me that the market is on a downtrend and the 4-hour time frame showed me that the market had successfully retested to form a lower low, hence a trend continuation signal, and on 1-hour time frame it showed me that we have a trend continuation signal too, then by all means I will take this trade by selling it. Like, come on guys, all these confluences are enough for me to enter onto this trade. So my mind at this point has already been made up, and that is I am to take sell trade on this pair no matter what. So the next step and most important part left for I is to decide my exit plan, or on other words that means to decide where my stop loss will be. This will help me decide how many positions to open and with what lot size to use, and the proper place to press the stop loss is above this recent weak rejection. But if I take this trade right now and the stop loss be placed here, this will mean that this will be a huge risk for I, since this is just a day trading trade. So what do? Is I will enter this trade on sell limit orders around these numbers right here with multiple open positions so that I can maximize my profits while reducing my risk. This is called position sizing. I will teach you that in the next videos to come. Guys and girls, trading is just a numbers game. You have to be smart.
A few moments later.
Guys and girls, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you're about to give up in forex trading, don't. Success in forex trading takes time and dedication. It is not a get rich quick scheme, but with hard work and perseverance you can achieve your financial goals. Don't give up even when things get tough. Remember, the most successful traders are the ones who are able to stay calm and composed even in the face of market volatility. Keep a clear head and focus on a long-term strategy, and you will eventually see the rewards of your hard work. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell icon on. Bye bye.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure, never have to